You probably think volcanoes only destroy everything in their path, but they actually act as the planet's cooling system. When a massive volcano erupts, it launches millions of tons of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. These particles act like a giant mirror, reflecting sunlight back into space and cooling the entire Earth's temperature for years. It is nature's way of hitting the reset button on global warming. Without this terrifying geological process, our planet might have been far too hot for life to thrive as we know it today.